Hello, I hope you are doing well and are learning a lot. I know I am. I would like to take this opportunity to review the changes we are making to the Project Goal Mentoring Program. Let's keep in mind our mission that drives all of our efforts. As a district, we realize that supporting our new teachers is our most important at-risk program. It is critical that we retain highly effective new teachers who are passionate about the students they teach and are committed to continuing our district's lofty goals. For the 2021 school year, we will select lead mentors. Let's review the expectations for lead mentors. These individuals will need to apply between May 4th and June 8th. The application link will be posted in the week of April 27th, as well as the Project Goal Google Classrooms and the Project Goal page on the intranet. Lead mentors will be selected by the Teaching and Learning Development Department and provide a critical layer of support. I want to mention that our identified high-needs campuses will have a lead mentor assigned to their campus, and non-target campuses will have a lead mentor who serves a campus cohort. The proposed cohorts are listed later in this presentation. Lead mentors will meet with the Teaching and Learning Development Department 4 times a year to collaborate and provide an update regarding the program implementation on their campuses. They will also meet with first-year teachers at their campus or within their campus cohort 4 times a year. Lead mentors must complete Mentor Training 101 and 102, and they will help oversee teacher mentors on their campus, as well as meet bi-weekly with second-year teachers. These meetings can be virtual and/or face-to-face. The goal is to ensure that we are accurately supporting our second-year teachers. For their work, they will receive a $500 stipend per semester. Let's review the expectations for teacher mentors. Teacher mentors are selected by campus administrators to support first-year teachers who work in the same grade level or content area. Teacher mentors must complete Mentor Training 101 and 102, meet with first-year teachers weekly, and submit documentation, as well as facilitate 1 observation per year. Teacher mentors will receive $200 per semester stipend. We are also working on designating a half day of planning with the first-year teacher and the mentor. Please review the enhancements and the rationale for Year 1 and Year 2 on the following slides. Here is an at-a-glance look at the support we will provide. Here is the proposed list of campuses that will receive a lead mentor assigned to their campus. Again, this individual will play a vital role in supporting new teachers and their mentors. This is a list of the proposed campus cohorts, which are grouped by proximity in order to accommodate the 4 after-school meetings. Research shows that mentoring programs can decrease teacher attrition rates by 50%. As you can see, the percentage of first-year teachers who are leaving our district are declining. We want to continue on this path to success. The following slide provides links to vital documents that you may access and peruse at your leisure. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for all that you do. Words cannot describe how thankful I am to work with you. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, please email me at mwarren@garlandisd.net. Thank you, and remember, we're better together.